Hello everybody. My name is Danielle and I make little YouTube videos. I went on a sailing trip last winter and I made some videos about that. And me and my dad are currently redoing a school bus into a little tiny home that we can travel in. So that's been fun. But that's not what this video is going to be about. I'm going to do a gear guide for this video. I got a lot of upgraded gear in 2018 so far. And I just want to show you guys what I got. I've been a YouTuber for about a little over a year now. I just signed a contract with BBTV to kind of try to help build my channel, so hopefully that helps. It was pretty exciting to sign that partnership. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna get right into it. My last gear guide video had some older stuff in it, and this is a new after Christmas gifts kind of 2018 gear guide. So we'll start with the cameras. The one I'm currently using to film this with is pretty much my main camera. It's got the flip-up screen. It's a Canon EOS M5. It's got the flip-up screen, so it's really good for a vlogging camera and one big main camera too. That's pretty much what I use for everything. I only have one lens for it right now. What the lens is, so I pretty much only have one lens right now. I'm hoping to get another one soon, like a smaller wide-angle lens. The one I'm using right now is 18 to 55 zoom, so it kind of ranges everything for me, and that's been really nice. I also have a Rode mic on it for audio. I'm looking to get a dead cat for it soon enough here, but right now it's just the Rode mic. My dad got it for me for Christmas, so I have that on the camera also for my audio. I'm obviously using a tripod too. I don't really carry it around with me because it's kind of big. But I do have like a little cheap tripod too. You guys don't care about that. Anyway, so I also, what I do carry with me is a GorillaPod, which is super awesome. Super cheap. You can get them on Amazon and they kind of bend and go onto like, you know, whatever you want to put it on. Because you never know where you're going to be when you're going to need a tripod. So I always pretty much carry that around with me. That kind of clips in there. It's a really nice spot for it. I really like this backpack, but we'll get to that. I'm going to show you everything I have, and then I'm going to put it into this backpack. And you may be thinking, how's all that going to fit in this backpack? Well, you just wait because it's going to. So camera, number one, I told you guys. I also got the drone. I got this for Christmas. It's my baby. It's so nice. It's got this little protector on it, but the camera's right there, and this shoots in 4K. It's got like a 4-mile radius. I just got this. I'm actually gonna go fly it, I think, after I make this video. But yeah, super awesome. Super, super awesome. Comes with a remote that you put your phone in, so you can kind of see where you're going, and joysticks that kind of to fly it. I'm not that good at flying it just yet, but it's winter, so I live in Michigan, so there's not really a whole lot of chances. And for that I got some extra propellers. These were pretty cheap. You never know when you're going to screw up a propeller. I do need to get a couple batteries for it. That is one thing I'm going to get in the near future. So I always carry a pen and paper with me. You guys probably do the same. My little wallet passport cover also. Business card holder, give out business cards. I got a lot of business cards. I'm trying. Anyway, got a little cosmetic bag and some sunglasses here. We got our memory card holder. I just have a little Pelican one. My dad just gave it to me. He had an extra, so waterproof Pelican memory. External battery, kind of nice to have. Charges my stuff up, and oh, yep, it's charged up right now, so that's good. And it's waterproof as well, which I got this when I was on the sailboat, so I wanted waterproof, but not really necessary now, but still nice. I got the GoPro. I just have a Hero 4 Black, which does shoot in 4K, but I'm hoping to upgrade this to a GoPro 5 and then get a gimbal for it because I'm pretty shaky lately when I'm making my videos, so I definitely need a gimbal for that, and I might upgrade that. A couple accessories, suction cup, tripod mount. That's pretty much all I carry with me for the GoPro accessories. I do carry like a floaty handle or like a long stick with me also, kind of like this one. I would like to upgrade this soon, but I use this right now. And it's kind of broken. That's why I want to upgrade it. But nice for water, nice for long shots, concerts, I bring it to, stuff like that. Headphones, got a couple of pairs of Beats. One's wire, one's wireless. You know, I just don't like carrying these around. They're kind of big, and I like to keep it minimal, so the little Beats wireless earbuds are super nice, and that's like pretty much what I went to now. I don't really like carrying those around. I'm trying to keep it minimal. I'm trying to keep my gear and my stuff minimal, and it's really hard. If any of you guys have any thoughts on how to like condense my stuff and make it not as much, let me know. I'm trying to keep it minimal, but it's very hard. Chargers, you guys don't really care about those, but I got some chargers here. I carry those with me too. More chargers here with my little hard drive. I get solid state hard drives because I had a problem once with a non-solid state one, and I lost a lot of footage, a lot of really good footage, and I'm still pretty bummed about it. So I go to a solid state, all solid state, and back up your stuff. Always back up your stuff. I've got 2 here. I need to pick up a couple more because I need backups. So that is very important. And let's see, little lens pen, kind of standard. I use my MacBook still, MacBook Pro to edit, love it. I use Adobe, I'm still learning on it, but for Christmas my brother got me a little wireless mouse, so that's super nice. I need a case for it, but super nice to help edit. This is kind of for my Instagram. I got the iPad, it's mostly for work. I use it for work because I am working currently, but good for a lot of things. I do my Instagramming pictures and stuff with this sometimes. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put it all into this bag. Get that back on there. There we go. Okay, so flip this up. First things first, there's a little laptop sleeve in there. We're going to put the laptop in there. Let's see. Get that thing in there. Good. That kind of stays where it is. I got a little bag here for all the GoPro stuff, which is kind of nice. Kind of keeps it all in one spot. I got it with the suction cup, and it just kind of works. So that's good. I might actually put my GoPro on a handle. This bag has a little zippered pocket on the top of it here. I'm just going to throw all my chargers and stuff in there. I'm still kind of trying to organize this backpack. I just got it. It's the Brevity rucksack. I just got it, and I'm trying to make room for everything and trying to make it so that it's not so crowded in there all the time, but we will see. Anyway, that zips up in there, and this kind of goes over. Let's see, let's go into this pocket now. This kind of has a little organization. So we're going to close this, take that out, we're going to close this, that. These kind of, we're just going to put in the top, I think. Top, those can go in the side. Good, we're going to do that. So that's there. And here we're going to put this down there. We're going to actually, I've just been using my, like, the box that this mouse came in for its case, because I don't have a case for it yet, but I've just been doing that for it lately. Pelican case. We got the little battery. We got the mouse. This cord's got to get in there somehow. Put that in there. The headphones, the GoPro. Good. This little top pocket here is super nice for your wallet. That kind of sticks right in there. My wallet's just like a little bit too big for it, but it zips, so it's good. Let's see, we're going to put these back in their little bag. We're going to put these in there also. Good. Again, trying to figure out how to minimize this the best that I can. And then now this big pocket. And this pocket is for the camera stuff. Not sure how well all of you guys can see that, but it's got padded pockets for all my stuff. So we're going to take the drone. We are going to take, there we go. The drone, we're going to put that away. We're going to slide it in. The nice thing about this is it's super compact. I mean, that thing, that is very, very compact. And you can just slide it right in there. Fits like a glove. And the remote. I usually slide it right in here. Perfect. And then this, get that in there. This zips up. This is a removable insert also, so you don't actually have to have the camera part in there. But my camera also fits in there, and it's got this little side pocket where you can get to your stuff easily, so I really like that. Perfect. Clip these. And voila. A couple things I didn't put in there, but not really necessary. It does have a lens cap holder, which is nice, but it doesn't fit my mirrorless lens cap. It's 58 millimeters, mine's 52, so that's no bueno. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my 2018 gear guide. I do have a few things I'd like to upgrade to. Obviously, we all do. I always have a list going, but that's pretty much it. Got a lot of good equipment, so I'm hoping to make some really cool videos for you guys in the near future. So stick around and subscribe, please. And like this episode if you thought this was a cool idea. Give me some comments, some thoughts, what you want to see more of, stuff like that. I want to hear from all of you guys. So thank you so much, and have a good day wherever in the world you may be. Ciao, ciao!